Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. The ultimate guide to understanding the piston and maximizing your vehicle's performance. The piston is a small yet crucial component within your vehicle's engine, playing a significant role in its overall performance and function. Understanding the importance of this part and how to maintain it is essential for every vehicle owner. In this video, we will delve into the significance of the piston, shedding light on its vital function and the impact it has on your vehicle's operation. Please comment, like, share and subscribe to our channel. By grasping the role of the piston, you'll be better equipped to comprehend the inner workings of your vehicle and make informed decisions regarding its maintenance and care. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply aim to take better care of your vehicle, gaining insight into the piston's importance is valuable knowledge that can enhance your overall driving experience and ensure the longevity of your automobile. Stay tuned to discover the essential role of the piston and why it matters for every vehicle owner. Understanding the piston in your vehicle. Understanding the role of the piston is essential for gaining insight into the internal combustion process in your vehicle's engine. Here, we will delve into the basic definition and function of a piston, as well as the crucial role it plays in powering your vehicle. What is a piston? A piston is a cylindrical component that moves up and down inside the cylinder of an internal combustion engine. Its primary function is to convert the energy generated from the combustion of fuel into mechanical motion. The piston fits snugly within the cylinder and is sealed using piston rings to prevent the escape of gases during the combustion process. The importance of the piston. The piston is an integral part of the engine, responsible for converting the high-pressure gases produced during combustion into reciprocal motion, which drives the vehicle. It plays a crucial role in maintaining the efficiency and overall performance of the engine. A properly functioning piston ensures the smooth operation of the engine, contributing to the vehicle's power and fuel efficiency. Ensuring the optimal performance of the piston is paramount for the longevity and reliability of the engine. Key components and operation. Understanding the key components and operation of the piston is essential for any vehicle owner or enthusiast. Let's delve into the critical components of the piston and its integral role in the functioning of your vehicle. Piston rings. Piston rings play a vital role in maintaining compression within the combustion chamber. These rings not only prevent the fuel-air mixture from escaping into the crankcase, but also ensure that the oil is kept separate from the combustion process. By creating a seal between the piston and the cylinder wall, piston rings contribute to the efficient operation of the engine and are crucial in preventing oil from entering the combustion chamber, thus maintaining optimal performance and reducing emissions. Connecting rod. The connecting rod serves as the vital link between the piston and the crankshaft, facilitating the conversion of linear motion into rotational motion. As the piston moves up and down within the cylinder, the connecting rod transmits this motion to the crankshaft, enabling the generation of rotational force that powers the vehicle. The connecting rod's sturdy construction and precision engineering are essential for ensuring smooth and efficient energy transfer within the engine, making it a critical component for the overall performance of the vehicle. Understanding these key components and their operation is integral to comprehending the intricate workings of your vehicle's engine. The piston, piston rings, and connecting rod work in harmony to transform fuel into motion, underscoring their significance in maintaining the optimal function of your vehicle's engine. Maintaining your vehicle's piston. Keeping your vehicle's piston in peak condition is essential for optimal engine performance and longevity. Regular maintenance and attentive care can ensure that your piston and related components operate smoothly and efficiently. Let's delve into the key aspects of maintaining your vehicle's piston. Regular inspections. Regular inspections play a crucial role in ensuring the health of your vehicle's piston. Visual inspections should be performed to check for signs of wear, damage, or irregularities in the piston and its related components. Look for any unusual knocking sounds, excessive vibration, or loss of power, as these could be indications of piston-related issues. Moreover, pay attention to the compression levels during a routine compression test. Any significant deviations may signal underlying piston problems. By staying vigilant and conducting visual and compression tests, you can detect potential piston issues early on, preventing major complications that could affect your engine's performance. Oil changes and lubrication. Proper lubrication is vital for the smooth operation and longevity of your vehicle's piston. The piston relies on a thin film of oil to minimize friction and wear during its movement within the cylinder. Over time, this oil can degrade, leading to increased friction and potential damage to the piston. Regular oil changes are essential to maintain the quality of lubrication and protect the piston from unnecessary wear and tear. Be sure to adhere to the manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals and use the appropriate type of oil for your vehicle. By prioritizing regular oil changes, you can extend the life of your piston and ensure that it continues to function at its best. Addressing piston issues. Piston-related problems such as piston slap, scuffing, and overheating can impact the overall performance of your vehicle's engine. If you observe symptoms such as excessive piston noise, reduced power, or increased oil consumption, these could be indicative of underlying piston issues. When addressing piston problems, it's crucial to take timely action. Simple measures like using high-quality lubricants and addressing any misalignments can alleviate certain piston issues. However, more complex problems may necessitate professional intervention. Seeking the expertise of a qualified mechanic can help diagnose and resolve piston-related issues effectively, preventing further damage to your engine. By staying proactive and addressing piston issues promptly, you can safeguard the overall health and performance of your vehicle's engine. Remember, regular inspections, appropriate lubrication, and timely intervention are key to maintaining your vehicle's piston and ensuring optimal engine functionality. Taking these proactive steps can contribute to the longevity and efficiency of your vehicle's engine, providing you with smooth and reliable performance for years to come. Enhancing performance through piston upgrades. When it comes to enhancing the performance of your vehicle, piston upgrades play a crucial role. Here, we'll delve into the potential benefits of aftermarket pistons and the impact of high-performance piston rings on overall engine performance. Aftermarket pistons. Aftermarket pistons offer a multitude of benefits in terms of performance, durability, and efficiency. These pistons are crafted with advanced materials, precision engineering, and specific design features to optimize combustion and achieve greater power output. Upgrading to aftermarket pistons can lead to improved heat resistance, reduced weight, and enhanced strength, contributing to a more robust and efficient engine performance. When selecting aftermarket pistons, it's vital to consider the specific needs of your vehicle. Factors such as compression ratio, bore size, material composition, and intended usage should all be taken into account to ensure the optimal performance upgrade for your engine. By carefully assessing these considerations, you can elevate your vehicle's capabilities and unlock its full potential. Performance piston rings. High-performance piston rings play a crucial role in improving overall engine performance. These precision-engineered rings contribute to enhanced sealing, reduced friction, and improved heat dissipation, resulting in increased power output and fuel efficiency. By minimizing blow-by and maintaining optimal compression, performance piston rings ensure optimal combustion and sustained power delivery. When it comes to upgrading piston rings, it's essential to prioritize quality materials, advanced design, and precise fitment for your specific engine requirements. By harnessing the benefits of performance piston rings, you can achieve smoother engine operation, improved responsiveness, and increased longevity for your vehicle's powertrain. Incorporating aftermarket pistons and performance piston rings into your vehicle can lead to a significant enhancement in its overall performance and efficiency. These upgrades pave the way for a more exhilarating driving experience, improved power delivery, and lasting engine durability, making them essential considerations for any enthusiast looking to maximize their vehicle's potential. Closing up this video, we will say, the piston plays a pivotal role in your vehicle's engine, converting the energy from fuel combustion into mechanical motion. Proper maintenance of the piston is crucial for ensuring optimal engine performance and overall vehicle health. By prioritizing regular inspections and maintenance, You can prolong the lifespan of your piston and prevent potential costly repairs. Don't overlook the significance of this small yet mighty component in your vehicle's engine. It's worth the investment in care and attention. Your vehicle will thank you for its reliable and efficient performance on the road. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.